Hi, just a very short video. This amplifier was sent in for repair yesterday. It's been fully restored by someone in the past and they've done a really nice job. Unfortunately, had a dodgy valve socket, not allowing the heater to heat up, and also the 6AN8 valve there had internal short, so I put a new valve in there. So he's all done. Put them on for you. Bit of volume. So he's all done. Just a little quick repair video just for the customer to see it working. I'm going to box this one back up this afternoon and he'll be sent back once the invoice has been paid very shortly. Thank you very much.